The Ryobi Compact Cutoff Tool is a versatile powerhouse designed for precision cutting in tight spaces. Its lightweight build ensures easy handling, while the powerful motor slices through metal, plastic, and wood effortlessly. With a 3-inch blade and adjustable guard, it offers excellent control for intricate tasks. The tool features cordless convenience with an 18-volt battery, allowing mobility without compromising performance. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Perfect for construction or creative projects, this compact tool delivers professional-grade results. Stay efficient and precise with the Ryobi RCT 18C, your ultimate cutting companion. Tackle tough grime with the Ryobi USB Lithium Compact Scrubber Kit, featuring a powerful motor for effortless cleaning. The compact design and cordless operation make it ideal for reaching tight corners and intricate surfaces. Equipped with a 2-inch medium bristle brush, it's perfect for cleaning tiles, countertops, and appliances. The USB lithium battery ensures extended runtime, while the quick-charging cable adds convenience. Its lightweight build allows easy portability for indoor and outdoor use. Transform your cleaning routine with this efficient, user-friendly scrubber. Tough stains don't stand a chance against this game-changing tool. Simplify your outdoor tasks with the Ryobi Tow-Behind Utility Dump Cart, a 7.5 cubic feet marvel with a 500-pound capacity. Designed for universal hitch compatibility, it pairs seamlessly with riding mowers and tractors. The durable steel frame and rugged wheels ensure stability on uneven terrain. Its quick-release latch allows for hassle-free unloading, saving time and effort. Whether transporting mulch, soil, or tools, this cart is built to handle heavy-duty tasks. With its ergonomic design, moving loads has never been easier. Make yard work a breeze with this reliable and efficient utility cart. Effortlessly maintain your garden with the Ryobi Backpack chemical sprayer, offering 4 gallons of capacity for large-scale coverage. Its adjustable spray nozzle provides precision for various applications, from pesticides to fertilizers. The ergonomic backpack design ensures comfort during extended use, while the rechargeable battery powers continuous spraying. With its durable build and user-friendly controls, this sprayer is perfect for professionals and homeowners alike. Achieve optimal plant health and protect your garden with ease. The Ryobi Backpack Sprayer makes large gardening tasks manageable and efficient. Boost your project efficiency with the Ryobi 4-in-1 Stapler Nailer, a versatile tool for fastening tasks. It drives staples and brad nails with precision, making it suitable for upholstery, crafts, and light construction. The cordless design powered by USB lithium technology ensures convenience and mobility. Its compact size and lightweight build reduce fatigue, even during extended projects. The tool features an adjustable depth control for consistent results across materials. Equipped with a 3.0 amp-hours battery, it offers impressive runtime and quick recharge capabilities. This innovative stapler nailer is your go-to tool for quick, reliable fastening. Harness renewable energy with the Ryobi Foldable Solar Panel, a compact and portable power solution. This 21-watt panel charges your devices efficiently with its USB ports, making it ideal for camping or emergencies. The foldable design ensures easy storage and transport, while the durable construction withstands outdoor conditions. Compatible with Ryobi's power packs, it's a versatile addition to your toolkit. Say goodbye to power worries on the go, as this solar panel provides reliable energy wherever you need it. Stay connected and eco-friendly with Ryobi's innovative solar solution. Experience unmatched convenience with the Ryobi 40V belt power supply, designed to keep your tools charged on the move. Its ergonomic belt design distributes weight evenly, ensuring comfort during extended use. The 40V system powers multiple tools with ease, enhancing productivity on the job. With quick change capabilities and a compact build, it's perfect for professionals needing constant power. Its rugged construction ensures durability in demanding environments. Never worry about running out of battery mid-task. This power supply keeps your workflow seamless and efficient. Revolutionize floor cleaning with the Ryobi USB Lithium Cordless Agitating Spray Mop, designed for efficiency and ease. The motorized agitator ensures thorough cleaning, while the spray function tackles tough stains. Equipped with reusable microfiber pads and a rechargeable battery, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective. The lightweight build and swivel head make maneuvering around furniture a breeze. Ideal for all floor types, this mop delivers sparkling results in minutes. Transform your cleaning routine and enjoy spotless floors with Ryobi's advanced spray mop. Maximize workspace efficiency with the Ryobi Rail System onboard accessory storage set. This three-piece set includes a magnetic tray, bit bar, and mounting base for seamless organization. The magnetic features keep your bits and screws secure, while the compact design saves valuable space. Compatible with Ryobi's power tools, it enhances accessibility and productivity. Whether in the workshop or on-site, this storage system keeps essentials within reach. Simplify your projects with this smart, innovative accessory set designed for every professional and DIY enthusiast. Illuminate your workspace with the Ryobi PCL 632/360 degrees LED light, offering exceptional brightness and coverage. The adjustable head and multiple mounting options make it versatile for various applications. Its compact, cordless design ensures easy portability, powered by an 18V battery for extended runtime. Ideal for job sites or emergencies, this LED light delivers reliable illumination. The durable construction withstands tough conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Brighten your projects and work efficiently with Ryobi's advanced lighting solution. Meet the Ryobi Compact Router, a powerhouse designed for precision and portability. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the brushless motor delivers incredible cutting speed and accuracy. With variable speed control, you can easily tackle diverse materials, from softwoods to laminates. Its compact size allows easy maneuvering in tight spaces, perfect for intricate projects. LED lights illuminate your workspace, reducing errors and improving visibility. Coupled with a durable fixed base, it ensures stability for clean, professional results. This router is cordless, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks. Power up anywhere with the Ryobi 80V1000W power source. This compact yet robust inverter transforms battery power into reliable electricity for all your needs. Whether camping, tailgating, or tackling power outages, it keeps your devices running smoothly. Designed with multiple outlets, it can support a range of tools and electronics simultaneously. The lightweight design ensures portability, and its quiet operation is perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Compatible with Ryobi 80V batteries, it offers exceptional runtime. Built for durability, it withstands tough conditions effortlessly. The Ryobi Submersible pump is your ultimate water-moving solution. This high-performance pump can handle up to 600 gallons per hour, making it ideal for flooded basements, pools, or construction sites. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy handling and transport. The cordless functionality allows you to work in remote areas without needing power outlets. Equipped with a durable housing and robust seals, it ensures long-lasting performance in harsh conditions. Its automatic shutoff feature prevents damage, giving you peace of mind. Pair it with any Ryobi 18V battery for seamless operation. Tackle water woes with efficiency. Stay cool anywhere with the Ryobi 40V Hybrid Air Cannon. This powerful fan delivers robust airflow, making it perfect for large spaces, workshops, or outdoor events. Its hybrid design lets you switch between battery and corded power for extended runtime. Whisper quiet operation ensures minimal noise interference, while the adjustable head provides customized airflow. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to move wherever needed. Built to withstand tough conditions, it's a reliable companion in any environment. Compatible with Ryobi 40V batteries, it combines convenience and performance in one sleek package. Brighten up your workspace with the Ryobi 18V 1 plus hybrid LED work light. Its 20-watt LED output provides intense illumination, perfect for job sites or outdoor adventures. The hybrid functionality lets you choose between battery or corded power, ensuring uninterrupted lighting. Its adjustable head and sturdy design make it ideal for a variety of tasks. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and position as needed. Designed for durability, it withstands harsh conditions effortlessly. Pair it with Ryobi's One Plus system for unmatched versatility. Work smarter and safer with this brilliant light. Take on firewood tasks effortlessly with the Ryobi 40V HP brushless Kinetic log splitter. This innovative tool delivers 12 tons of splitting force, tackling even the toughest logs with ease. Its brushless motor ensures efficiency and extended runtime, while the Kinetic design provides faster cycle times. Battery-powered and emission-free, it's environmentally friendly and perfect for quiet neighborhoods. The compact design allows easy storage, and the sturdy build ensures reliability. With user-friendly controls and safety features, it's ideal for both professionals and homeowners. Turn logs into manageable pieces in seconds with this game-changing tool. Elevate your cleaning game with the Ryobi USB Lithium Detail Scrubber. Compact and powerful, it's perfect for tackling stubborn grime on various surfaces. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, while the interchangeable heads adapt to different cleaning needs. USB rechargeable, it's convenient and eco-friendly. The robust motor delivers consistent performance, making tough jobs a breeze. Lightweight and portable, it's great for on-the-go tasks or tight spaces. Designed with durability in mind, it's built to last. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with this versatile scrubber. Smooth out imperfections with the Ryobi 18 VHP Brushless Random Orbit Sander. Its powerful motor ensures rapid material removal, while the brushless design enhances efficiency and runtime. The compact, ergonomic body offers superior control and comfort, perfect for extended use. Cordless functionality provides the freedom to work anywhere without restrictions. With variable speed settings, you can customize its performance for different surfaces. The integrated dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and safe. Durable and reliable, it's a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts. Achieve flawless finishes effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.